Okay, this tutorial focuses on uninstalling an app on Windows. So if you want to learn how to uninstall an app, let's go. So to uninstall an app on Windows, we first need to come to the search box here and then enter control panel. Control panel, this is it. You can click to open the control panel. Here in the control panel, come to programs and then under programs, uninstall a program. So here you can see all installed programs or softwares on your device. I have 25 programs installed. For this tutorial, I want to uninstall the WinRAR. So how do I uninstall it? You need to select the program. When you select the program, you right click and then select uninstall. Or the second option is when you select the program, come to the top here and then select uninstall. The uninstall gives you this pop-up that says, do you want this software to make changes to your device? Then you go and say yes. Continue with uninstall the software, in this case WinRAR, yes. Here it says we need to reboot Windows to uninstall WinRAR completely. So if you like, you can reboot your device to just remove WinRAR from your machine completely. So when you check here on the program, you can see WinRAR is no longer here because I remove or I uninstall it. So that's how to uninstall a program on your Windows device.